Hi, dear students. Last we discussed about the advanced analytics technologies and tools in that how unstructured is working, what is unstructured, characteristic of unstructured data, and advantages and disadvantages, where we are collecting the sources come from the unstructured data we discussed, and now we are discussing about the Hadoop. We discussed big data also. So what is big data? I explained about the big data. Big data is a collection of large data sets that cannot be proceed using traditional computing techniques. Okay. Even today in this video we are concentrating on Hadoop components and importance of HDFS. HDFS stands for Hadoop Distributed File System. So Hadoop is an open source distributed processing framework that manages the data processing and storage for big data applications running in clustered system. So it is open sources. So we can download Hadoop and we can analyze all the big data sets, and the future in coming slides I'm going to explain also using Hadoop how we can analyze the data also. Okay, today in this Hadoop core components. What is Hadoop core components? How Hadoop is working? What are the components required for Hadoop to analyze unstructured data? First of all, we have to know for Mapreduce. What is Mapreduce? How it is be working? Next, HDFS. HDFS is nothing but Hadoop distributed file system. Then we are using Yarn and we are using common utilities. These are the core components. We have multiple components in the Hadoop to execute, but this is a core component. The first one we will discuss about the Mapreduce. It's a very important uh, the plays significant role in Hadoop. It is a core component. What is MapReduce? The MapReduce is a two important. The MapReduce algorithm contains the two important tasks, namely map and reduce. You can divide two parts. One is a map, one is reduce. What is a map? Map task takes a set of data and converts it into another set of data where individual elements are broken down into tuples. It is a tokenizer, means whatever the content you are giving, it is taking individual means it is taking one small sentence, and according to your sentence it is breaking one by one. So it is converting into another set of data. It is breaking, means it is tokenizing. So you can call that is broken down into tuples. What is reduce? The reduce task takes the output from the map. So we have to be very careful. First we need to know the map. Map is nothing but where individual elements are broken down into tuples. Once map is done, then it will come for the reduce. So always the map has to execute whatever the map is doing. According to that map, output is the input for the reduce task. The reduce task takes the output from the map as an input and combines those data tuples. We will call as a key value pairs into a smaller set of tuples. Excuse me. So the reduce task is always performed after the map job. See, once again I will repeat the things. We in Hadoop, MapReduce is very important. In that we have the two tasks. The MapReduce algorithm contains the two important tasks. In this, one is map and reduce. What map is going to do? The map is converting into another set of data. Whatever the sentence, the whole sentence is broken down like a small tuples. So that once the map is done, then it will come for the reduce. According to the map reduction, means according to the map output, the input for the reducer, it is going to take, and according to that input it is combine those data tuples into the smaller set of tuples. So I hope that you people got it, what is map and what is reduce. So you can see that image so that you may understand what it is. So you are giving some input. The first one you can see here, we given some input, that is a input phase. Then we are going for the map phase. What is happening? According to that, we are giving some map. Whatever you are taking data, according to that, you are making as a map. Once you done the map, each sentence, we are making as a intermediate keys. What do you mean by intermediates? We are making as a tuples. We are making as a tuples. Then according to all the tuples, all the sentence, we are combine, means we are going to be combined. So we are going to be combining. It is optional. Once you've done, you have to do the shuffle or sorting. We need to do according to the words, or whatever the sentence and whatever the words, whatever the map, and we intermediate combining. After combining, we need to do the shuffle, or you can say as a sort. Once we done that, map work is done up to shuffle and sort. Then we are coming for the reducer phase. Reducer phase, according to whatever the map you done, we are going to be reduced. After once you reduce, you're going to throw the output. In this way, if the map reduce, it's going to be work. So this is a model, means this is a structure, basic structure for the map reduce. So now I'll go for the very important things, that is, you may, if you see this, you will understand very clear how the map reduce. Example, you can see here input ABR, CCR, ACB. So these all the some input you are giving. Okay, this is like a sentence. Then we are going for the split. What you are going to do? ABR, CCR, AC. So whatever the input you are giving, you are going to be splitting. Once you split, you are going to say how many A are there? 1A, B are 1, R are 1. That is a map phase. How the map phase is working. Next, CCR, C is 1, C is 1, R is 1. Then ACB, ACB means A is 1, C is 1, B is 1. So now map phase is map phase. Once you've done, then you're going for the shuffle and sort. You can check it, that shuffle, and you check it in all together, the sentence whatever you're given, you check it where is all A. A means you can see that in the third, means this is one cluster, this is one cluster, this is one cluster. So we told that in the Hadoop is a distributed file system using in the clustering manner. So you can see that this is one cluster, this is one cluster, this is one cluster. In this cluster, A is 1. You can see in the second cluster we don't have A, but when come for the third cluster you have A. So according to that you check it. So you make it as a cluster. First you take, as to make you to understand, first we taken as a. It is not that assigning whatever. Means next I'll go for the little bit implementation way. So A is 1 means A is 1 A. So how many A's are there? In the first cluster and third cluster you have A1 A1. Next you go for the B. B is I have the first cluster and even we have in the third cluster. B is 1. Then you go for the C. C how many? C is having 2C. You can see here in the second cluster we have 2C. So C1 C1 and third cluster also we have C1. That is altogether 3C. Then R, the last one. You can see that R, the first cluster and second cluster, you have the R. Shuffle and sort. So you can see that it is shuffled and sorted according to A, B, C, R. So once if you're done, when you come for the reduce phase, what do you mean by reduce phase? Reduce phase, you have to make it as a, make it A how many is there? 2. B how many is there? 2. C how many is there? 3. And R how many is there? 2. This is the way the MapReduce works in the Hadoop system. So it is going to be working in the cluster manner, and it is going to be, I hope that this is a very simple example. I hope that you people understood very clearly this. Okay, now this is little bit implementations. What is the implementations? You can see that one more example. I given some input as with the before. I given just character to make you to understand, so that how it's done. Now you can see here students, welcome to Hadoop. Class Hadoop is good, Hadoop is bad. Some input I given. So we are going to be splitting. What is that? Welcome to Hadoop. Class Hadoop is good, Hadoop is and bad. You can split. So you can split however you want. Okay, so I splitted in this way. Fine. So first one I taken as a welcome to Hadoop. Class Hadoop is Hadoop, good Hadoop is and bad. I made this as a floor splitting, whatever the content, whatever the word I got. Then I'm going to start mapping. What is that? Welcome is 1, 2 is 1, Hadoop is 1. Same if you come, class is 1, Hadoop is 1, ease is 1. Good is 1, Hadoop is 1, ease is 1, bad is 1. Fine. Now I'm going to be shuffle. What am going to do shuffle? How many bad is there? Bad is 1. Class is 1. Good is 1. Hadoop is 3. Ease is 2. 2 is 1. Welcome is 1. Fine. Now reducer. What am going to reduce? That is bad is 1. Class is 1. Good is 1. Hadoop is 3. Is 2. 2 is 1 and welcome to 1. Now I'm going to final output. Just I'm going to write, I'm going to be storing. This is we will call as a map it and reduce it. So we are going to map and we are going to be reduce. So we are using the clustering system. I hope that you people got the how the map reduce with the 2 or 3 examples, how we are using the map reduce. Now we can go for the, let us think about real world example to comprehend the power of map reduce. Twitter received around 500 million tweets per day, which is nearly 300 tweets per second. So you can see that how much. The following illustration show how the manage, how to we can manage the Twitter. So you can see that. So that's why we can take in this way also. We have to make a tokenize, filter, count, aggregate. Whatever the previous example I told you, the same way. So this is the way we are going to do the map reduce. So this is very important. So you need to understand what is the, so one of the map reduce in the Hadoop, it is very important, because with the help of map reduce only you can be understand how whatever the content you are giving, you're going to be reducing. It has to make it the group it make it as a cluster, and then you go according the map. Once if you done, it is going for the shuffle. Once if you done the shuffle, it is going to be aggregated. You can call like this also. You can use the terms like this: tokenize, filter, count, aggregate counts. So this is, so out of three example you can take, which is the example you feel it is very easy and comfort I can use. But the first and second one is a very easy way to explain also what is map reduce. It is one of the important question. It's a part of your exam. Thank you.